In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life using Clickup. Clickup is an incredibly versatile app that can help streamline your tasks and projects, bringing more efficiency to your daily life. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone looking to keep things organized, this tutorial will guide you through setting up a personalized space on Clickup, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Clickup's official site. Once you're there, the first thing you'll see is the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. It's located conveniently at the top right of the page. If you've already signed up, you can easily sign in using your Google account to simplify the process. Just select sign in with Google and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use. This is a secure and easy way to get logged in without needing to remember additional passwords. Once you're inside the ClickUp dashboard, look for the three dots on the left sidebar. Clicking on these dots will open a menu of additional options. Here we're interested in using templates, which can save you a lot of time. So choose use templates, a very user-friendly feature that ClickUp offers to quickly get you started on a structured system. At this point, you have the option to search for specific templates by typing keywords into the search bar. Since we're focusing on personal productivity today, type personal into the search field. You'll be presented with options like personal productivity. Click on it to view the template details. Once the template appears, it's time to make it your own. Click on use template and this will apply the template to your workspace. ClickUp allows you to customize how things appear. You might want to start by renaming the template to reflect your personal needs or preferences. To do this, simply find the template in your workspace, click the existing title and type in a new name. This small change helps create a personal touch and makes it easier to find later on. Now it's time to actually put the template to work for you. Click on use template once more to finalize it in your ClickUp space. With everything set, don't forget that this is a flexible system. You can edit the template to suit your style and preferences by adding tasks, modifying project details and tweaking the existing structure until it perfectly matches your life. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to organizing your personal life with ClickUp. With a few clicks and customizations, you'll have a personalized and efficient workspace ready to tackle your daily tasks. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.